Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Powerhouse Ideas. This video is a very special learning video because in this video we'll be picking up a stock which has the potential of growing 300%. Yes, you heard me right. This stock can give you a return of 3x, 3 times of your investment. But how and why? We always say that we should ignore a stock which is in a downtrend. This stock is in a downtrend, then why do we think that this stock can give you a good return? The reason being very simple, because this stock was falling on technical grounds, but the fundamentals of the company holds very strong. And when we talk about the technical front, we can see volume coming up in the stock. Now let us analyze the stock. This stock was falling since a very long time and it was in a long-term downtrend. After the downtrend, this stock has been into a consolidation phase from March 2020 till date. But what is important to look over here is the volume which is coming below. I will highlight the volume for you. This is the volume which was coming below. This volume was very important. What does this signify? This signifies that the people were interested in buying this stock in huge volumes even when the stock has fallen so much. But why? Because they also knew that the fundamentals of this company are very good. Now what happened today, why it's a special stock and why we are analyzing this company today? Because this stock is giving some turnaround stories or this stock is giving some turnaround signals. What are that? अगर हम आज देखें, हम इसको रिमूव करते हैं, आज देखें तो आज एक बहुत बड़ी कैंडल बनाई है स्टॉक ने. उस कैंडल ने क्या किया, वॉल्यूम तो इसमें बहुत ज़बरदस्त है ही है. उस कैंडल ने क्या की, जो ब्लैक लाइन दिख रही है आप लोगों को स्क्रीन के ऊपर, ये वाली, दिस एरिया वॉज वर्किंग एज अ मेजर रेजिस्टेंस. Last time when the stock tried to break above this area, it failed. But today, this candle has closed above the previous failed breakout as well and with volume. So this is a positive thing. When a breakout happens with a volume, it is a positive thing. So this stock seems to give a 3x return and for ultimate target of its all-time high, right? But this is not a trading advice. I am repeating, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. I am just analyzing the stock and telling you how to look at a company for investment or trading purposes. Now this is about the technical analysis of the stock. We see a breakout with the volume of a major range, major consolidation, that is okay. But whether the fundamentals of this company are good or not, let us see that. Sorry for this IPL ringtone. I'm actually making this video on my phone because I don't have my system with you. So sorry, excuse me for that. Now let us move to the fundamentals of this company, and for that we will be using screener.com. This is a company which is involved in the chemical sector. So let us analyze, and keeping this in mind that this belongs to the chemical sector, we will be considering some of the things though they don't appear to be good right now. First of all, the market cap of this company is 2900 crores, which signifies that it is a small cap company with a huge potential of growth. It can turn into a mid cap company, it can turn into a large cap company as well. The stock PE is also not on the higher side. Stock PE will eventually reduce when the income of this company will increase, because stock PE is a result of two factors. One is the price, one is the earning. When the earning denominator will increase, the stock PE will automatically reduce and this company will be available at an attractive valuations. Okay. The concern over here is ROCE and ROE, return on capital employed and return on equity. That is very low. But why? We need to understand this. Because chemical sector and entire chemical companies have been in an immense pressure due to increase of the raw material, ड्यू टू इंक्रीज ऑफ द इनपुट कॉस्ट, जिसकी वजह से इनके ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट्स, इनके रिटर्न्स सप्रेस हो गए हैं, कम हो गए हैं. ठीक है. बट इट इज़ बिलीव्ड दैट इट विल बी पास्ड ऑन टू द कस्टमर्स एंड दे विल अटेन द बिजनेस एंड स्टेबिलिटी एज वेल. ठीक है. तो आगे चलते हैं. लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द सेल्स. क्या इसकी सेल्स, क्या इसका मेन धंधा अच्छा लग रहा है हमें, क्या इसका धंधा बढ़ता दिख रहा है? तो वी विल सी इट्स एनुअल सेल्स ऑन स्टैंड अलोन बेसिस. हम देख सकते हैं इसकी सेल्स 470 करोड़ से बढ़कर 2500 करोड़ हो गई है. ड्यूरिंग द कोरोना फेज, दैट इज मार्च 20 एंड मार्च 21, सेल्स में एक बार डिप आया था, लेकिन इस स्टॉक ने, इस कंपनी ने अपनी सेल्स को दोबारा से रीगेन कर लिया है. दैट इज द पॉजिटिव थिंग. वो अपने ओरिजिनल लेवल्स पे वापस आ गया है. हम 2400 थे मार्च 2019 में एंड नाउ वी आर 2500. सो वी आर ऑन द बैक ऑन ट्रैक फॉर अचीविंग अ सेल्स. द ओनली पॉइंट ऑफ कंसर्न विच आई डिस्कस इज कि पहले इसका ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट काफ़ी ज़्यादा होता था, लेकिन अब इसका ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट काफ़ी कम है, उसका एक ही रीज़न है दैट द केमिकल सेक्टर हैज़ बीन फेसिंग एन इमेंस प्रेशर. सो वील बी इग्नोरिंग दिस फैक्ट कंसिडरिंग दैट अदर थिंग्स ऑफ दिस कंपनी आर वेरी गुड. Now let us move to the other thing. We can see the earning per share was negative at one time and it has turned positive, but due to the operating profits are suppressed, so it's still on the lower side. But we believe and hope that the income will increase and these figures will become better with time. Now let us talk about the balance sheet. When we see the balance sheet, the share capital has been constant from last 5-6 years. That is a positive thing. If you want to know why it's a positive thing, kindly refer to another video in my YouTube channel as only, wherein I have explained all these things. When we talk about the reserves are something which the company owns. The reserves are something, the cash which the company owns or the retained earnings which the company have. So reserves has gradually increased over time. It has increased constantly, so that is a positive thing. That is, the company is able to retain its earning with themselves for future needs. And when we talk about the borrowings are less as compared to the reserve. That is, if any of the borrowers come and ask for their money, they have sufficient funds to pay them back. So this is another positive. Now let us quickly move and do a short analysis only, not a detailed analysis. This company has been earning positive operating cash flows, and that is a positive thing. The net cash flows are positive, so that is a positive thing for this company as well. These are some of the ratios. You can interpret these ratios on the basis of the other video which I have already provided to you on this channel, so I'm not repeating it. Now let us go to the promoters holding. The promoters has been constantly holding 45% of the stakes, and some of the stake is also held by FIIs and DIIs, which means that the promoters and as well as the foreign institutional investors and domestic institutional investors have faith in this company. That's why they're holding the stake. In fact, the domestic institutional investors has also increased their stake from 0.01 to 0.36. That is a positive part of this company. So these are some of the technicals and some of the fundamental positives about this company, which as per me seems good. I am holding it in my portfolio, but it's no way a trading advice for any one of you. It is just a simple analysis. You need to do it in a very detailed manner to consider it as a investment or a trading for yourself. Okay, not because CA Karan Arora is saying that. It's not that way. You need to make your analysis yourself to understand that whether this company is worth trading or investing. So this is all from my side for today for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.